What if I told you that this truck is not just built, it is engineered like a machine from the future? Inside this factory, thousands of robots, laser scanners, and AI-controlled systems work together to create one of the most powerful electric trucks America has ever seen. This is not just a pickup truck, this is the Chevrolet Silverado EV. And here's the twist. The final stages of this build are so advanced, so unexpected, that most people have never seen them before. So make sure you watch till the end, because the last moments inside this factory are absolutely mind-blowing. Let's step inside. The journey of the Chevrolet Silverado EV begins inside one of General Motors' most advanced manufacturing plants. Unlike traditional truck factories, this facility is designed specifically for electric vehicles. No loud engines, no fuel smells, just precision, automation, and silence. Before a single part is assembled, everything is digitally simulated. From airflow around the body to the stress points in the chassis to battery safety under extreme conditions. Only after thousands of virtual tests does the real production begin. At the heart of the Silverado EV is GM's Ultium electric platform. This platform is completely different from gas-powered trucks. Here, the battery is not added later. It becomes the foundation of the entire vehicle. Massive aluminum structures are lowered into place with robotic arms accurate to fractions of a millimeter. Each frame section is laser measured in real time. If something is even slightly off, the system stops automatically. There is no room for error.
Is the rear seat aligned properly?
Yes, alignment confirmed. We are good to go. Okay, bring it down slowly now. Clear on the left side. Locking in place, confirmed. Looks good.
Yeah, alignment is spot on.
This one meets the standard.
Looks perfect from here.
All right, team, confirm final checks.
Passenger door alignment verified.
Quality control check complete. Vehicle approved. The future is here. Introducing the new Silverado EV, designed for what's ahead.